Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Steven from Simple Tech. So today I'm going to show you how to create a folder in your Windows operating system. So to get started, I will show you two ways. I'll show you through a command line, that is CMD, and another one through Graphic User Interface. So to start with the CMD, go to your search bar and search for CMD. Then click to open the CMD prompt. Let me minimize this to have a good view on what I'm doing. Then by default it will open to the users folder, which is the user that is logged into the machine currently. So I need to change the folder that I am in. So I'll need to do cd, that is change directory, and then type desktop, then click enter. Then now I am in desktop. Now I want to create a folder on the desktop. So what I will do is I will do mkdir, that's for make directory, then the name of the folder. Let's say for example I want to name it latest movies, and then I hit enter. So then a pop-up will appear from the desktop, and this will now show the folder on my desktop. If you want to create a file using CMD, just do echo and then you add some text added. Then I will do angle bracket, and then I will do the name of the file, my file name .txt. Then I hit enter. So as you can see, then you can just double click on the file to see the file that you have added via CMD. The next and alternative way of adding a new folder to your Windows machine is just to go to the folder that you want to add the folder, right click anywhere, then from the dialog box just go to the new, then click folder. Then you can give name to your folder. For example, I will name this books, and then I hit enter. So that is how simple you can create a folder and add file to the new created folders. I do hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial till the end. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and until next time, goodbye.